usually do slime reviews. I don't even ever do one. This is the first time because I'm really bored and I want to make a video. Yeah, I have nothing to make. So I have this slime. It's like a pearl purple. Y'all can't see it. Yeah. So I'm gonna show it to you in one. Okay, got it. Okay. So I'm gonna show it to you in 1, 2, 3. This is it. Oh gosh, it's kind of hard to see, but it's like purple, not a gray. It's like a pearly purple. Not a pretty color, not a bad color. And it's like really cool though. Oh my gosh, is that bubble? Did it just appear? It's weird. My slime getting haunted? I don't know. So yeah, guys. Make sure to watch another video. It really helps my channel. And yeah, so guys, I will see you guys soon. Bye, guys. And I love y'all so much. And I will see you guys soon. Bye, guys.